What's good? What's goody? Welcome back. Welcome back. I see you guys made it at that 7 a.m. Central Time. You know I'm here, and if you here, you making some shmoneys with me. You feel me? That's the only reason why you here is to come get some shmoneys. All right. So let's go ahead, you guys. You know what I mean? I hope you had a good weekend or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoyed your weekend and you ready to hit these charts. All right, because that's what we doing right now. All right, so we pulling up right now. Let's see what we got going. We got DXY up right now. Y'all already know what I'm about. I'm about trading gold all the time, right? Gold that's just what I like to do. All right, but we got to see what's going on with the DXY. Real quick, I want us to look at a few things. I want us to look at the news situation. You guys always want to look at the news and be like, hey, what news we got today? It's the 14th, so we got any U.S. news? Nah, we don't have no U.S. high news. All right, nah, I'm gonna have to turn that off. Hit me up early this morning. All right, let's see. We got U.S. news tomorrow. So we got high impact news tomorrow. All right, so today's just a regular day. All right, you guys. So let's just go ahead and just hit these charts. Let's just trade. Let's just see what's going on. First, we need to determine on what I like to do is determine on what the US dollar is doing. So I'm looking at DXY. Looks like she's already hit a lot of point of interest areas. Guys, look, remember when I said these areas here was areas that she was going to come down and take? And I marked them up. Look, she did it to the T in reversed, right? Those were the three targets. 1, 2, 3. She smashed them. And then now we're coming back up, guys. All right. So let's keep looking. All right. I still see we got massive liquidity above. I'm going to check the DXY on the dollar. I mean on the day real quick. Let me see. The daily chart. Screaming buys, guys. Look at this. We are in a buyer's market. Yo, there's straight buyers in this market, guys. All right. We could be looking for some sales here soon. But we would like, because she already reached my point of interest area. So in this area, I'm looking like, all right, she even reached this liquidity area up here too, guys. Up in here. All right. Y'all know I like to mark on a lower time frame. This is a lower time frame insufficient price action in this candle. So she reached out for it and snatched. So let's go and investigate and let's see like what's going on. So I'm just gonna do a little top down real quick. See, all these areas here haven't got hit yet, so we could still go hit those, guys. Oh yeah, we could still go get that. Let me see this over here. This candle here, this wick candle. I got my eye on that. We got liquidity with insufficient price action above, guys. That's a really good reason on why she could go up. But she did fill here. I would like to see her continue to go up. Yeah, it looks like we're going to continue going up, guys. So that means what? The correlation of this one is gold. So I just go to gold and be looking for those sales. So let's see. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's delete a lot of this stuff that we don't need no more. Let's see. This one was a previous. What was that before? What was that? Was that a buy or something? Yeah, that was probably like a little buy. All right, no, we definitely don't need that. Oh, I don't even know what that was for. Okay. Oh, targeting up to try to get these probably. Something I was looking at probably yesterday. Just left it there. Didn't even care. Because really, I like to sit back and just play the New York session on Monday anyway. Sundays just be like too crazy for me. All right, cool. So, guys, Gold to me is still continuing to the downside. This is all markups from last week. Last week, we got into some trades here, here, and here. It hit all TPs for everybody. So let's let me delete this. Don't need that no more. You don't need that no more. I still want to see, because I am still in the trade at 1917, all right, and 1921, which is all the way up here. So those areas, 1918 and 1917 and 1921, are my areas, and I am still holding these trades. Okay, so I can actually like slide this over and probably slide this one over, because these are actually trades that I'm in currently. All right, so right now I'm just seeing like she's going in my direction for sure. All right, here, let's try to catch her. She's moving though, guys. She's moving. All right. Should have been selling this thing. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, she hit off of that nicely. Look, target here. We got eyes down here, guys. All right, we got eyes down here. So, oops. All right, let's go. I wish I would have got in at 1914. This is at 6:30, 6:45. Just getting back in. All right, so let's see what we got. Did she come up here? All right, she didn't get up in here, and it's insufficient price action. Push up. All right, cool. We're gonna come down. We'll do that. All right, let's go. Let's see. Let's see if we can catch her. She's moving really fast. Oh man, she's past my area where I would get in at. I mean, I'm already in up here, guys. Boom, boom, boom. We don't have any news today. Let me see. Where is she right now? She's gone, guys. She's gone. But I have to wait on now. She took off. Look at that. As soon as New York session started, she took off to the downside. Do not chase her, guys. Do not chase her. I don't need to chase her because I'm already up here in these positions at 1921, 1918, and 1917. So I'm just, she's doing what I wanted her to do. She's actually hitting my targets, you know? Let's see. If I was going to get you guys in, it would have been up here. It would have had been like up here, right here. This would have been perfect, 1913. But let's just see what she do. Look, guys, she's taking this liquidity here. I mean, she's slamming down. Doing her job. I gotta make this quick. Gotta make it quick. Gotta think quick with y'all. Remember, I said she would take liquidity and she would jet the other way. Look how she just took this liquidity over here. And she pushed down, not a lot. Not a lot below that. Absolutely not a lot. Okay. But that's just how she reacts, guys. She like takes liquidity, boom, goes the other way, right? She got a lot going on below where she is right now. So let's see. Let me look at her here. It's a selling market, guys. This is a seller's market. That's 40. That's 100 down there. Yo, let's see what she got going on the 1 minute. I mean 1 hour. Oh man, guys, look at that. Oh, sick right now. Sick right now. Let's go. Held these trades over the weekend. Held these shots over the weekend, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. All right. Let me see what I got for the squad. Squad been eating. We hit TP yesterday, TP3 yesterday from last week's trades. Look at her. Just outperforming herself. What I say, she's gonna come to my insufficient price action areas, my POIs. You see my eyes? She's coming for that. This is how market has to move, guys. All right, look at all these dollar signs I had here. Look, they got taken. Remember that? All right. All right, so these gone. All right, so we can X those out right now. Those bad boys gone. All right. We ain't gonna play no games with them. DXY going up. See? DXY going up, guys. Gold is falling. All right. Let's keep it moving. Man, that position is nice, yo. 1921. Who got in at 1921? Because if you got in at 1921, you up. It's stuck. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we already know pretty much that DXY is moving up. We're moving down. And she is down here, over here, playing in these areas right now. I said she was going to reach this area. Even a little lower. So let's see. Still. Let's look. We are definitely on a downtrend right now. We're in a bear's market, guys. Bear market, guys. All right, so we right here playing right now. Look, took this liquidity too. Everything is taken. Nothing is safe. They took that. They took this. Well, they took that. Man, I got the AC. Let's see. All these guys like are out. Look at this triple bottoms over here, right? All these triple bottoms, right? All these guys had stop losses below them, correct? Well, guess what? Hopefully they took some profits, right? They gone. All right. So let me come over here. See where we at. They took them. Right, okay. Guys, these positions up here, 1921, 1918, and 1917, guys. I called these last week for y'all. Could have held these trades. I told y'all it was coming down here to these insufficient price action areas, to my little eyes. I told you last week. Pay attention, right? So, yes, we are now deeper and deeper in profit from last week's trades. Yes, okay, so I held last week's trades and my swap wasn't really that much, guys. Swap was, I put a 3.0 down, all right, at 1921, and the swap was only $18. Commission is $30, and the profits I got right now is 3,300, right? So, guys, this was from last week. Last week, all right? So for people who like don't want to hold their trades, I like to hold my trades because if I got a good position, I want to see it play out. Like I be having a nasty risk to reward, guys. Look at this. This thing is a 1 to 12. All right. A 1 to 12. Then we got this one here, which is ain't supposed to be that high. It didn't hit everything. 1911 was a TP. Look, it smashed it. It's going through it. We could just go ahead and hold it to here if you want. You could hold it to here. I would probably just like see like 1906, like how she reacts around 1906. Then if you want, you can hold it to the next area down here, which will give you, 18, well, I'll take it to 1900. You know what I mean? Something like that. Something like, guys, falling. I mean, I would try to find you guys a position that there's no need to try to chase her right now. Like, I would be looking for a retracement somewhere probably down here. See how she react here, or, retracement here. So let me see. Make sure we are still good. Let me check my mic. Let me check. Man, this thing bright, and y'all see me. It's a little bright. My bad, guys. I'm like orange on this thing, like for real. Okay, so my mic is still good. All right, cool. Everybody's great. All right, so oh, shit. I got people coming. All right, I'm gonna have to make this quick, y'all. I want to see her get down here. She did get here. She got there. All right, which it's nothing. We need to go further. We need to go further down. She did take these guys out, which is great. I like to see that. I would love to see her take these guys and then mitigate and then continue, to the upside. I would love to see that. But look, guys, if I'm in the position, I'm not going to force another position because I'm already in a position. Now, I can find you guys a position. But I'm just letting you know that these are trades that we were holding from last week. Okay? And we have hit 121 pips. Okay? Our trade from last week hit 121 pips. All right? I haven't changed these. All right? So, and I'm aiming for like 130, almost like 200 pips, guys. This is what I'm aiming for, like 200 pips. Right? That's what I'm aiming for. Like, think about it, you guys. We don't even have news today, and they are moving like this, right? If they moving like this and we don't have news, when we do have news, they move like this. So it just means that it doesn't matter whether there's news or no news during the New York session. How they want to move is how they want to move. All right. So don't think that, oh, I can't trade the news, or, because it's too volatile. Well, even without news, gold can be volatile. If you don't understand what's happening here, right? This was a buildup of liquidity area. They pushed up, right? And they took all of these guys first. Now they're going for the bottoms, right? That's what they did. You can see it. It's evidence. Okay? Right? So have that mindset of looking at the sideways trends get taken by a big institutional candle, and then market mitigates out of that area and reverses. All right. All right. Well, that's just the play. That's just how they play. And that's how you can hold your trade even longer. You can see this move right here was a perfect move to get in for a sell. I had marked it. I was like, yo, she get in this box, yo, we could sell. But I was, leaving the gym, getting dressed and all that shit. So I didn't catch it. I was like walking in at 650. You feel me? So but yeah, this was the play, guys. This was the play. That would have been nice. But this was the play that we were playing last week. So if this is what we were playing last week, I have these trades open, guys. I have them open. I'm still holding these trades. All right. They're running. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16K on that. On just the gold trades. Right? Lighten her up like the sniper I am. Guys. For real. Y'all need to pick up on this theory. Pull away from that other stuff that making y'all lose. Cause I'm holding over the weekend. Like, I'm holding over the weekend. Okay. Look at her. She's gonna get there, guys. I'm trying to tell you. She's gonna get there. And we're gonna see what's up. I want to see what's up. And she just moving so nicely. Let me check my mic. All right, we still good. We still good on the sound check. All right, just making sure, because, man, OBS been acting up. I had to change the settings. Boom, look at there. Look at there. Man, y'all stop playing with me, man. Y'all stop playing with me when it come down to my analysis. All right? My analysis be on point. Straight up. You come over here, you getting shmoneys with me. You feel me? You're making shmoneys. Always check my previous videos, guys. Because my previous videos is going to show you setups that I'm in. And listen, a lot of times I'm holding my setups longer term. I can hold them over the weekend. If I'm in a good, like Friday, I was in a good position. Why would I close it? I was in a good position. I can take a little swap of $18 and be up the next day 4,200, 43 right now. Come on now. Think about it, guys. You're not looking at the bigger picture. You gotta look at the bigger picture. All right. Look at that. Sweet. Man. Go ahead, man. I don't even know, man. Let me see something. I didn't stretch this thing out. Let me see. I don't even know what's going on over here with my stream. Let me see what's going on because I had to stretch it out for you some more. Let's see. Look at guys. Guys. I know y'all caught that. I know y'all did. Tagging it. Tagging it. Let me go look at the daily. Oh man, where is she? Oh, she's sitting in this gap right here. Ooh. Let's chase her, guys. Let's chase her now. Does she fall through that? Fall through. Just give me more profits. I love it. Trust me. All right. Yes. She is reacting. She's reacting. Let's see. Come on, guys. Don't be that. Don't be that way, man. What'd I say? Okay, so she closed it, guys. Look at that. Straight closed that thing. That's beautiful, guys. That is beautiful. Let's check this DXY real quick. Let's see, what is DXY doing? DXY still pushing up. What'd I say? If DXY go up, gold is falling. Make sure y'all pay attention to that. Look how much DXY pushing up. Do I have to look at gold to see where she's going? No. Because if DXY is going up, I know gold is going to be falling, right? Wait, let me get the right one. Right? Look, I know she falling. Look, she tagged this area. That area is gone, guys. I was just looking to see how she reacted down there. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, give it to me. All right. Maybe she keep going. Let's look at the 5 minute. Will they give us the 5 minute? Come on, give me the 5 minute. All right. No, she ain't giving me the 5 minute. All right, let's just go back to 15. We can just watch on 15 minute then. How she react in that area. Look. All right. That ain't bad. She's still in this purple, guys. This purple box, she's still in it. Fluctuating in it. Right? So a lot of people would want to be like, all right, well, she's stalling. Right? Let's see if we can take a position there. 12 pip. Let's bring her back up. 65 pips. 65 pip. Pull back. Let me see how she reacting there. Okay. Where is it? Here. And what's the stop? What is the stop there? I don't know. How big did you make this? For some reason, my trading view is like moving slow as I don't know what. Come on. I'm trying to get the trade. Guys. She doing the crazy stuff. All right, cool. Let's see. Let me take this. What is that? That's a small little pullback right there. Like, what are we talking? Like 12 pips shot. You know, let's see. Let me check the 5. Like, this is an area, a POI area, guys. This is what I'm talking about. So let's give a prime example of what I mean by bouncing off from one insufficient price action to another. Maybe she bounced off of this one so she can come here, right? We've been waiting on her to push down here, right? So this way we can get the bounce from here and maybe we can come back up. But I'm also keeping my eye on the fact that we have this down here, okay? This might not hold, okay? It might not hold. Why? Because there are like double bottoms over there. There's wicks over there. That's money, guys. But this could be where she want to like reverse, okay? We could see it. Maybe we won't. You know what I mean? So it's kind of hard when momentum on the 1 hour is definitely going to the downside. Let me just check it again. Oh yeah, look at that candle, guys. All right, I ain't gonna play with her. I ain't gonna play with her just yet. Let me see some. What is that? A 12 pip stop. Let's do 15 pip stop. Where is she? Right here. I wanted to do this whole damn thing, but 15 pip stop will be there. Let's go here. This looked like she could. I mean, I would be a little skeptical on getting in right there, but because she could fall some more. But if you want to just take a 15 pip shot, you know, what is that? 60 pips? It's not really. Huh. Yeah, what it is. All right, whatever. Whatever. Okay. I'm gonna take a shot real quick. Let's just see. Go. Away from me. Let's just see if we get it. If not, I'll be looking at the next point of interest area, which is down here. And boom, I'll be looking for that. So let's see. Let's see the play. Let's see the play. I gave it a 15 pip stop, guys. Some light. If I lose this trade, you know, what is it? Like 150 bucks or something like that. Like, guys, I'm running like over four bands. Like, let's just see. Actually, no, it won't be that. Let me do it. Let me do my calculator. Okay. It'll be 450 bucks. 450. 450 on a 3.0. You know, so I mean, let's just see what we might get. Let's look at DXY real quick. She hit another point of interest that I had on here. So she might be reversing off of that. Maybe. Maybe, guys. Maybe we'll get it. Maybe we'll reverse now off of here. Like, I would like to see that go short here. Right? And then, what are we, 35 minutes in? And then come bring it like back down here. I want to see that, but if she busts through and come up to the next area, like, what is the stop on here for? Let's put it like 15. What's 15? 15 is way up here. I don't know. I don't really trade DXY like that. I just like to like paper, like put the P&Ls on there on areas that I would, if I was a trader, what I would get in at, but whatever. So now that means that I'm looking for, gold to rise, right? So let's just see how well gold is rising now from our position right here. All right, I'm going to move this. I'm gonna unlock this so you guys can get a better look at it. All right, I know this is going down there, and I know this is going here. Right? We know this, but this is our position today because we traded, and it's Monday, and you ain't got shit to do. All right, so I want to see, gold pull up, back up into the slippage areas because she did slip pretty bad, but she could, create a buy candle and then sell down even lower. We are in a selling market, guys. This is a counter trend trade. Okay, so be careful with that. You want to use proper risk at all times, you know what I'm saying, for you new traders. And you want to watch how market is reacting in your areas of POI. Right, so she did react pretty good in this area. This is the reason why I kind of wanted to take the trade. Let's see, look how she filled this area here, right? Gave us some nice engulfing, came down, right? Didn't pass this low. All right, cool. Came up, gave some slippage, more slippage. We might continue, we might fill this and then continue up. I would like to see that, but I got 15 pip stop. So whatever she does is whatever she does now. I mean, she still looks to me as if she is moving to the downside. But I'm just playing, guys, off this insufficient price action area that I like to tell you guys about all the time. Like how you can't get the pull off of the insufficient price action areas. She only really pulled about 24, 23 pips so far from that insufficient price action area. So, 23 pips of a pull could really be something for somebody who's leveraging their account, you know, using some high leverage, so, or they're risking a pretty penny. 20 pips, on $100 is pretty good. You know what I'm saying? So you got to be looking out for that, guys. So let's just check. I'm still looking to see what price might give me. Ooh, look at that wick situation. Yo, they playing this good Monday. They playing this good Monday. What y'all want to do? All right, we still got this 15-minute candle wicking. All right, wicking out, spazzing out. So that position wasn't bad. 1906 wasn't bad, guys. You caught that with me. You are in some profits. Not much. We're only up 10 pips, guys. We're only up 10 pips. So with this 15 pip stop, I mean, we can do more, but I don't want to do more. I just want to do a 15 pip stop. 450, if I lose 450, that's whatever, or whatever your 10 pip stop is. 15 pip stop is on whatever your lot size that you're using. Okay. Mine's, I'm only risking 450 bucks. So let's just see. Back up here. What is that, like 60, 68 pips up, all the way up? right? So I'm only risking $450 to make like 2,000. You feel me? Like, if we can get back up here, right? I'm not sure if we're gonna get all the way up here, but this is a 1 to 4. I could have made it a 1 to 3. You know, most people like 1 to 3s, right? But mine's just be like whatever I see price action like has done. Whatever price action gave me, that's what I'm going to use, guys. All right. So we just gonna let me do a mic check real quick. Let's see what's up. What's up? What's up? All right, cool. Just giving, you know, play what market give you. That's all. That's all we doing now. That's all we doing now, folks. All right, don't make this thing complicated. All right, how many pips we up now? Let's see. 27. 27 pips up right now. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I hope y'all, you know, weekend went well, and I hope that your morning is going amazing right now. I know it's super early, but guess what? It's early, but we making money. All right. Look at this. Y'all be thinking I'm playing about my POIs. We up 30 now. We up 30 now. I mean, did we even need a 15 pip stop? I mean, for real, did we need one? Or, you know, or am I just comfortable at 15 pips or something? You know, is that my psyche, you know, that I'm battling with, thinking I need a 15 pip stop, right? But maybe that's not even the case. Maybe that's not the case, you know? So, shit. Let's just keep it going, guys. Let's just keep it going. Where we at right now, guys? Off of that. And I said, when I say don't chase her, let her come to us, and we're gonna like see what's up. So far, you guys, on this trade, you've hit 138 pips, guys. 138 pips. Come on. Come on, guys. 100, what is it? 130, what? I mean, 38 pips, not 138. Wishful thinking. We hit 38 pips so far on stream. Our position, we got in at 1906 and we bought up, and now we are at 1909. 744 right now. She did do a pretty good reaction off of this, but not what, you know, it's not really, I want it lower, but sometimes my low positions take forever to get to, and I needed to be looking at the previous position, like this position here, this first position. But my eyes is always on these lower positions because they're not that far off. Because if I was to take a position, a buy here, right? If I take a buy here and bring her up to here, that's looking more like 120, 28 pips. That could be the play versus this one only going 68 pips and then possibly having to come even higher or whatever. But because we're in a downtrend, I don't see us coming like that, like too high. You know what I mean? Yeah, we can reverse and go up some, but I don't see us getting like so high today, you know, that we're going to get way up here. I see this insufficient price actions here, here, and here. Liquidity here, just liquidity there, here. I don't know, because I'm still in sales, so my buys might make some money, right? But I mean, we hit 30 pips, And 30 pips ain't, what is it? Not 38 pips isn't really what, you know, I would be looking for as a nice price. Um, I would need more of her to push up to give me the idea that we are going higher. Because I can see up here, we can't get up there. It's 228. But she would have to prove herself by moving up more for me. I'm not just going to assume that she's going to get up here. I'm going to watch her price action and make sure that she moves in the direction that I would want her to move, but also keeping my eyes on this lower area here. Let me look at DXY. See, she even pushed even higher further through her area. Look at this point of interest area up here. So let's just see 15 minutes. I gave her a 15 pip stop. I think that's what I don't know what if this is it say it is. So I'm gonna assume that this 15 pip stop right here. All right. And so we're just gonna take gold up for now. That's what we're gonna do, guys. That's the play. That is the play for right now. This is a counter trend. Yes, I'm still holding a 1921 and 1918 and 1917. I'm still holding. I'm actually going to, because let's just see on the daily. Let's look at the daily, guys. Look how the daily. I want you guys, I'm going to just, hide this stuff real quick. Look at the daily and see what the daily is doing on gold. Do you see like how she is moving, momentum is moving to the downside? This candle here was a quick buy to sell. So I can see daily even continuing down lower, getting below this area here, knocking these guys out. So this is money, money, money. And then this is money with this insufficient price action over here, guys. All right. That's what my eyes is seeing. This is why I'm looking for sales on gold overall. But doesn't mean that I can't catch a quick buy like I just did. Like, come on, let me show you. Yo, where'd it go? Where's my markups? Trading View be on some other stuff. Stop playing. I know it's right here. Like all my markups gone. Look how nice she took all these lows here, guys. Look how nice these guys gone, these guys gone. Where is she going? Once she takes this liquidity, she dips into insufficient price action below and then reverses to go the other way. She could go high. I could see her go, give me that nice risk to reward of 100 pips all the way up here, catching that 100 pips. She could get up here in this insufficient price action up here, right? This one here. We got our eyes on that, right? So we just have to wait and see. Wait and see. Because you don't want to just guess, guys. We're not guessing here. We didn't come here to guess. We came here to look and see what areas that market is going to bounce off of and reverse. As you can see, we caught this area, right? We had our eye on it. And what is she doing? She's bouncing off of it and reversing. Buy her. Put your buy down. Put your bid down. Put your lot size down. It's one of those days, y'all. It's one of those days. Got a whole lot of stuff going on over here. So I'm super excited. Super, super excited. Even I rolled out of bed at 4 o'clock this morning, y'all. Was hitting the weights early this morning. I was in the gym by 5, like about 4:45 this morning. And y'all, I feel great, right? I have my protein. I feel amazing, right? I'm dropping weight and I'm lean. I'm getting lean and I'm toning up at the same time, which I love. So health is wealth. I hope you guys are taking care of your bodies. Feel me? We came to this planet, guys, to not die early. All right. Nobody wants to die freaking early. All right. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Health, you know, health is wealth. All right. So let me put this down. All right. So where are we now, guys? Where are we now? Shit, deep in profit. 50 pips already hit on stream, guys. Guys, you want to do this every day? Y'all want to do this every day? We could do this every day. Hit 50 pips on stream. That's too easy. There we go. Caught that little move right there. Very simple. We wasn't stressing it out. We wasn't stressed about it or nothing. We seen it, right? We're in these plays here. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see where. Let me go ahead and manage those real quick. Those was nice. I mean, real nice, guys. $50 pips on stream already. What? We only been on for 53 minutes, guys. We only been on 53 minutes. Let me see. How long we been on? Should be on for only 53 minutes. 54 minutes. All right. And we've already caught 50 pips on stream. All y'all gotta do is show up. You show up, and I'm gonna show out. Show up, and I'm gonna show out. What up? I got a nice little hedge going on right now. Right now on stream. Got positions all the way up here and up here. 1921, all the way up there. And man, how long I've been holding at 1921? Sheesh. Man, guys. It ain't getting no better than that. I've been holding 1921 for a minute. Let's go. what is it? 1919? Is that the other one I got? 1918, 1917. Now we're buying at 1906. Let's go. Let's go. 50 pips already on stream. Too easy. Too easy, guys. Let me go to the 1 hour real quick. Let me see how that 1 hour pulling off. Look at this 1 hour, guys. Look at this 1 hour candle. Who do you think that is? Messing with the big boys now. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Yo, it don't get no sweeter than that. Who caught that wick entry on the 1 hour? Who caught the wick on the 1 hour? Live for you. Who catching this shit live? I'm gonna see it like this all day, every day. Just make sure you here. Man, these trades, these is good. Let me see. This is just gonna be a quick pullback right here. Off of this area. I don't know how much they will pull back off of this area, But now that we're up 50 pips, that's 50 pips right there, guys. Go ahead and shit. If you want, you can do your break even now because you're 50 pips up, or you could put yourself where we are right now. Let's see, you could put yourself 20 pips in profit, right? Take the 20 pips and then let the rest ride, all right? Which means you're taking partials. So you're going to take partials, right? Or you're going to put your stop loss at 20 pips and you're just going to let market do its thing. If she come back and smack you, no matter what, you made 20 pips. If she continues, then great, we make more money, all right? But if you want to protect yourself, I would say manage your trade now and protect yourself, right? This is what I'm doing over here on my phone. I'm protecting myself. I'm making sure I take some partials off the table, take some trades off the table, and I'm just going to hold the rest, you know, leave some money on the table. That's how I play. I like to leave a little bit of money on the table and let the rest just, you know, I'll take the rest and just leave some on the table, guys. That's just how I do it. Because if you take all of it off the table and she runs in your direction, you're going to be a little heated that you didn't leave just a little bit of money on the table. Right? Just a little bit. All you needed was a little bit. Right? But I am protecting myself, putting these stops. I am taking some money off the table. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and just like move my stop in profit. And now I won't lose this trade. That is the trade for the stream for the week. We have hit our 50 pips and we are moving on. We're holding the top areas here still. All right. And we have taken lots of partials. So let me see. Let me take some. I can just take a little bit more. Just take a little bit more. Let's just see. I'm gonna take. I'll take 1,000. Take 1,000 from that. Let's see. That's a 1921 position. That one's a pretty high position. I'm gonna just close my lower positions. That's sitting at 1917. So I'm gonna take 2,000. Let's just see, 1.5. Yeah, I could take 1,000 there. Let's see, another one, 1917. Close. Take partials. This is me taking partials, guys. All right, let me see what's going on at that area. I'm probably going to leave her at the 20 pip. Maybe she hit this 20 pip and keep going. Or maybe she can hit the 20 pip and keep coming back down. Overall, like I said, I was looking overall for sells. This is just a counter trend. I'm not sure if we get this high, but we did react off of here and grab 50 pips. So it is what it is. I grabbed 50. I was I reached $1,000 that quick off of that 50, that quick 50. Let's see. I want to close this other sale at 1917 to a 1. I want to take it from a 3.0 to a 1.5. And these are all these sell positions that's up here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm taking partials, guys. That's what I'm doing. Just taking money off the table, adding it to my balance. And 1921. See, 1918. Okay, we're going to leave 1918 open, 1921 open. And I took partials on all the other ones. So at 1920, 1917, all those sales I've taken partials on. I'm leaving some money on the table. I'll probably take more partials if market continues to pull back on me. If she continues to like pull up further up, I'll start these positions. I'll start taking partials and shit on them, right? Could have just went ahead and took partials here because, to be honest, right, guys, this was a 1 to 9. That's good. That's a 1 to 9, guys. This one was a 1 to 3, right? Which I don't know. Well, yeah, we were up here. It was this. It was like over here like that, right? Into this candle here, and we took that. So we went up here with a 29 pip stop. I don't know why we did a 29 pip, but whatever. We didn't need that, but that's still a 1 to 3 with that 29 pip stop that we just didn't need. But the top positions up here was a 1 to 9, guys. And then this one, it would be like a 1 to 11 if we was to go from here all the way up, take all of this. But, I mean, you guys, you got to just pay attention to what market gives you. If she gets up there, great. But, you know, just always keep in mind that we are overall in a higher time frame, we are selling. And DXY is moving up overall. So we will need to be vigilant of price possibly moving still in the direction of the trend. All right, that's pretty much how I'm gonna go about it today. All right, we caught the 50 pips. That's great. I'm pretty good. I'm happy with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy with the little 50 pips that we caught. You know, we could get all the way back up here. That would be 88 pips, which is okay. You know, 88 pips. That's cool. That's cool too. I ain't complaining, you know. Some people ain't catching 88 pips. This is what we're gonna watch right here. All right. Got folks coming. They're gonna be here shortly. So I'm super happy that this counter trade actually did play off in our area of interest. It did play off of it. I mean, literally, guys, excuse me, it went about 5 pip, right? 5 pip. We had a 14 pip stop. I mean, we could see her come down here, flux, and then come back up. I see all this insufficient price action areas here. So it's however you want to play it, guys. Like, all I did was just find a position for you. Okay. Now, depending on how much you was trying to catch on that position, you know, you could have got in, when I say get in, and went and got 20 pips and been happy. And like, all I needed was 20, or all I need is 30, or all I need is 40, or shit, 50. Hell, I gave you 56. Wait, 55. 55 pips there, guys. 55 pips. 50 pips a day will keep a job away, guys. All right? It will. All right, so let me make sure y'all can still hear me. All right, cool. Mic check. Okay, okay. It's looking good. It's looking good. You can sit here and watch this for a little bit longer. We have already reached our target, guys. Target has been reached. The 50 pips was the target. You know, I'm always looking to target for 50 pips, right? I want 50 pips as my target. So, this way, you know, 50 pips on stream is pretty good, guys. Once you hit 50 pips, you can be done with it, or you can hold it, and you know, whatever you want to do after that, I don't care. All I cared about was getting you the entry and getting you the push. Like, I wanted to see the push. I was a little skeptical of this push, but she did give it to us only with a 5 pip stop. You know, I put a 14 pip stop. She went 5 pips before, you know, but you just had to be watching her, right? Again, I said I have this point of interest below, so I'm keeping my eyes on that too. I've already taken partials on this trade, and I'm probably going to, if she gets any closer, I'm gonna just go ahead and be like, boom, I'm taking partials, and I'll just go ahead and just throw her in at break even, right? Where I don't lose a trade, period. And I've taken money for the day. I'm good. I'm good, guys. I've taken money off the table, and I'm at break even. Trading don't get no easier than that. Straight up. No easier than that. So I'm going to, because I got another meeting, I'm going to end this stream early. I have people coming over. But I do want you guys to see. All right, where was it? 6, I think it was here. 14 pip. Let me just do this. Where was it? Okay, there it is. Okay. I'm going to leave this up a little longer for you guys to see. Boom. There's the coordinates. All right. This here was our target, 50 pips. All right, that's what we was looking for, guys. She clearly hit that. So that's all we needed. We can go on about our day. Taking partials. Let the rest just do whatever it want to do. I don't care. I've taken my shmoneys. I've closed out plenty of money today. I've closed out some of my top positions too. Taking partials on some of those from last week. And I'm still holding these positions up here. Just want to let you know that these positions are still being held. All right, I'm in at 1921, 1920, 1918, and 1917, guys. Those are my positions. Okay. This was a counter trade, and I didn't expect her to go that high, right? Maybe here, or let's see, where did she go? She went here. Um, 50 pips. I mean, that's all I needed was 50 pips was to get here. You know, that's what we needed. That's all we needed. If you get any more than that, guys, then great. But just know that it doesn't take you to grab 100 pips, 150, 200 pips to reach your goal for the day. All right. Set your lot sizes accordingly to your goal, and get and make sure that it reaches that goal with 50 pips. So if it reaches it with 50 pips, you should be good. And again, like, my style of trading is not with any indicators. I just like to, mark my charts and just create this story that I know how they trade, and I'm basically like playing alongside them, right? Instead of retail, right? So this is how I'm able to catch these little quick little turnaround areas, grab some money, and take partials on it, and then hold the rest. And if it comes back, don't matter. I'm already at break even. All right. So for the rest of the day, I'm going to be trading in the Telegram group. So if you're not in my Telegram group, make sure you go check out the Telegram group. All right. The link is below in the description. Okay. And I hope to see you guys there. Okay. It is a free group. I do place trades in there sometimes. Actually a lot of times I place trades in there. I don't think I placed any in there like last week. Just updates of what the VIP have been doing. But I do keep the free group updated. Okay. And I do drop free trades in there. All right. But if you're on stream, you're going to get some trades. You're going to see like what trades I'm playing, period. So but I throw different trades in the VIPs too. I'm also trading US 30. I trade Bitcoin also. So and I do the same thing, same type of markups too. I use the same theory, same psychology. I don't use indicators on none of those pairs either. All right, just use my eyes. Okay, so we've reached our target already, guys, and that's just that. I mean, that's it. That's it for today. We good. All right. So again, I appreciate you guys for coming here on the stream. All right, being here at 7 o'clock. Right. If you were here at 7 o'clock, you caught this trade with me. Okay. You caught this trade at the 1906, and we bought up all the way to 1911. Okay. And that was 50 pips. Easy 50 pips, right? 50 pips a day keeps what? The job away, right? And if you're coming here every day at 7 a.m., you're coming here to make some shmoneys with me. You feel me? We ain't playing around. I'm going to find a position for you. Even if we miss the first position, there's another one. All right. So thanks again for stopping by the channel. All right. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment. Feel free. I do get back to everybody or I try to get back to everybody who makes comments or whatever, as long as they're appropriate. And yeah, let me go ahead and get to my day. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow at 7 a.m. Central Time. Don't be late, because if you're late, you're probably going to miss some moves. All right. So y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next stream. One love. Peace.